You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very interesting word. By the way, if you want to learn more biblical vocabulary names from the Bible in particular that are confusing, stay tuned. You found the right channel. Apocrypha is how it is pronounced. Biblical or related writings not forming part of the accepted canon of Scripture. Apocrypha. Apocrypha. Stress on the po syllable. Apocrypha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.